In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete all uploads here in Canva. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a quick way that we can do this, and we have to delete them one by one. So if we come over to the upload section just here, and if we hover over any of these elements or graphics, we're going to see this little box in the left-hand corner. If we click on there, this is where we can go through, enabling all of the ones that we want to delete one by one. Then, once we've clicked on all of the uploads here in Canva, again, unfortunately, there is no quick way to do this, but once we've actually done that, gone through and enabled them, we can come down here to where we see this little trash icon. If we hover over that, it says move to trash, and if we click on there, then click on move to trash again, all of them have been deleted. So again, if you want to delete all uploads just here, you have to go through one by one, enabling them and then deleting them that way. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to delete all uploads here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.